Practice problem 2 on color. Let's begin right away. Same routine as we did last time. The process of producing a color by mixing pigments is called color mixing by subtraction or absorption. Why do we say subtraction instead of addition in this case? Pigments absorbed or subtract colors from the light. The picture, those are the colors that are absorbed by light. Absorbed by the substance. What colors of ink are used to print full color pictures in books and magazines in a printer? That would be cyan, yellow, magenta, and black. Those are the printer colors. What is light scattering? What is light scattering? Well, light scattering could be considered to be like a diffraction, but in this particular case, it's going to be the redirection of light in multiple directions. The redirection of light in multiple directions. Do tiny particles in the air scatter high or low frequencies of light? Do tiny particles in the air scatter high or low frequencies? They scatter the high frequencies. For instance, blue light. We know it's really violet in the sky. So the blues, the violets, the particles are going to scatter blue and violet, not the reds in the sky. Why is the sky blue? Because the molecules in the air scatter high frequency light. Molecules in the air scatter high frequency light. Why are clouds white? Why are clouds white? The mixture of droplet sizes scatters many frequencies. The mixture of droplet sizes scatters many frequencies. Why are sunsets red? Well, sunsets are red. Basically, it's going through if you look at a globe, it's going through a thicker portion of the atmosphere because it's coming in at an angle. Only low frequencies are not scattered on the long path through the atmosphere. So it has to do with the angle in which the light is coming into the sky. Why is water greenish blue or cyan? Because it absorbs red light. It absorbs red light. What is the function of a spectroscope? A spectroscope will read a spectrum, a line spectrum, absorption spectrum, emission spectrum, and it separates the colors as a result of that. The last one, does the red light from glowing neon gas have only one frequency or a mixture of frequencies? Well, does it have one or a mixture of frequencies? Well, it has a mixture. It's going to have a few colors in there. What color? What shade of red? It could have a little blue in it, or it could have a little yellow in it. But if you look at the spectrum, you know specifically what wavelengths of color are in there. Why might atomic spectra be considered the fingerprints of the atom? Because each individual atom is specific unto itself. And they all have their own characteristics, and they're all going to behave uniquely. Why is the color of a tennis ball? Why is the color of tennis balls? What is the color of tennis balls, and why? Well, tough to get through that one, but because so you can see them, and they're yellow-green. Tennis balls are highly visible. Our eyes are most sensitive to yellow-green light. That's the whole point of a tennis ball being yellow-green. Why are the interiors of optical instruments painted black? Well, so that black will absorb any stray light. The black paint absorbs errant light rays, resulting in a better image. So that's why you're going to have oftentimes scientific instruments, when you look in like a telescope or a microscope, the interior is black. Goodbye.